A little Bernie for the boys.
What's up, boys? How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is another video. Let me start off by saying this, get the update out of the way. So as you can see, I have the Mustang jacked up here. I kind of lifted it up on one side. It does have jack stands because I was under it to be safe. And the reason is I wanted to check the cats. I kind of banged on them a little bit to see if there's anything rattling in there, and unfortunately there is. I'm pretty sure the passenger side is completely dislocated in there. It feels like it is kind of a little loose and probably falling apart, and I think the driver's side is probably on its way out too. So we got to deal with that, but not today. Today we're going on a little bit of a canyon run drive with my homie. So we're about to take the SRT today because the Mustang, I just don't want to drive it in this condition. I don't want to risk getting, you know, the cats clogged or the exhaust clogged and then, you know, messing up the motor. So we're just gonna leave it up here like this for now, and we'll deal with it tomorrow. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna get ready to head up the canyon. It's gonna be a fun day. Pretty stoked. I haven't been on a canyon run in a long time, and it's a nice day. We're on lockdown, so I can't do anything else really. So here we go. Yep. We have a tunnel coming up, boys, so you know what we gotta do. Double click the SRT button and put the car in track mode. Drop the windows a little bit. Get ready to do a little rip for the boys. A downshift, downshift. There we go. Goddamn, this sounds good. All right, boys, we are getting ready to head up Azusa Canyon today. That's the canyon we're going up. Hopefully there's no traffic. I doubt there will be. I mean, everyone's on lockdown. And there's Drod getting wild out there. All right, guys, I'm gonna throw you on GoPro cam, and so we can enjoy this drive. We're gonna try to just have some fun. All right, boys, GoPro cam in action. See, there's very few rules to canyon driving, but this is what I do, and I don't know if I do it right or not. Obviously, you never cross over, ever. The worst thing you can do is cross over, especially around a turn or something. The worst thing you can do, especially if you're going fast, because you don't know if the other person is coming down and going fast. So you always try to have nice tight lines and stay within your lane, pretty much. So I have this mirror kind of angled down a little bit here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see how close I am getting to the line as we're passing it, and I'm definitely keeping my distance, which is good. Going into the corners, you never want to jab the brakes in the middle of a corner. You always want to downshift, you know, put some weight onto the front end of the car and then turn in, and then accelerate out of the corners. So I'll show you a demonstration right now, like how we do it once we get some space. But also know the limits of your car. You know, some of these cars are just too heavy to take some of these corners. You have to be going slow. Look at how beautiful this is though. So let's build some space up. There's a turn right there, and so here we go. We'll let them kind of pass. So turn coming up. I don't want to jab the brake. We'll just take the turn. See, I'm keeping my line. You can brake before the corner. Once you're in the corner, you want to get off the brakes and then just take the corner. Downshift before the corner. Take the corner. Once you're out, accelerate out of it. Corner coming up, brake, and then you ride the corner, stay off the brake. you go, just staying nice, clean line, staying away from other people's lane and knowing the limits of my car. So corner coming up, downshift, get ready. You take the corner. You can, you know, kind of accelerate through the corner if you're comfortable doing that. And then you always want to be in a low gear so the car doesn't get too far away from you. See, the key is to not let the car get upset. You know, don't disrupt the weight of the engine. I mean, sorry, you don't want to disrupt the balance of the car, because if you do, that's how you can spin out, lose control and stuff like that. The Andrade is getting wild. So we're gonna wait a little bit till we get some clear space. So I'm gonna shut the GoPro off for a second here. I mean, the SRT, once you have the suspension firmed up in it by putting it in a track mode, it feels amazing. You don't feel as much body roll. It feels pretty planted, and I have some really good tires on it right now. So the tires are doing what they got to do really well. So they're gripping. I'm not really sliding at all. I don't feel any type of traction loss through the corners. And that's kind of what inspires me to have confidence to be able to take the turns at a higher speed. And obviously, being NA, it has all the power, and it's not as scary as a supercharger where it just kicks on and it lights up the rear end. But I definitely need to bring the Mustang back out here and kind of try it out. I have not taken it on a canyon run since I got the Whipple put on, and I bet it's going to be a lot of fun as it roars through the canyons. Crazy. Damn, dude. Did you just run it with that Mero? Yeah. How'd it go?
Bro, I didn't know when the lane was gonna end, so I was like, I hope he doesn't let out too, because we were both in it.
Yeah.
So I just kept looking over and I was like, is he gonna stop?
He did.
Like 115, 120.
All right, all right. A little Bernie for the boys.
A little birdie for the boys. You gonna send it?
Possibly. Here, grab my camera real quick.
Just do like a quick view.
Yeah, I don't want to fuck up the tires too much, but we'll send it real quick.
Oh yeah, you're recording.
Yeah. out of here quickly.
Vin Diesel over here. All right.
Hopefully that doesn't get me in trouble, but
Oiled it, bro. Come on.
was the GoPro on? I think it caught it, right?
I got the GoPro on. You don't want to get too crazy. It's freaking magically see a CHP coming down.
Right?
That's funny. Let the cars cool off.
A little bit, yeah. She's running a little hot. Jeez. I love this car, man. This car does amazing for what it is on these roads. It's actually a lot of fun, and it's not as wild as you think it would be. I'll just say that. I mean, I can definitely smell those brakes. It's either my brakes or Drod's brakes, but I'm pretty sure it's more his brakes than theirs. That's a nice guy right there, man. He just let us go. Second gear and around the bend, take the turn, and then just gas it out of there. Second gear again. Oh, jeez. Drod drives so slow around these things, man. Damn, Drod, let me go. He is holding me back, man. He's going really slow. Give him the gap real quick. So let me pass you, Drod. And this Hemi is doing it. Brakes are way too hot. Alright guys, I think that is gonna be it. Pretty sure my brakes are cooked. So let's kind of cool off a little bit here. Later, bro. Yeah, rush shift.